we're gonna make a little mocktail. Trader Joe's usually has pretty good seltzers, like just their Trader Joe's brand. I like their blue raspberry one, or raspberry lime, I think it is. I like that one. But this time I got the pineapple. I don't know if this one's new or not. I feel like I've never seen it, but maybe it's been around. The vegan cheese from Trader Joe's, the cheddar one, or like the Mexican blend, is so good. It's like the best cheese they have. Yeah, this is good. Friday nights, I always eat whatever I'm craving. I've been trying to clean it up. I just donated.
One, I never wear them, and two, like, they could get, like, I just outgrew them. Like, when I pull with the meat, I just outgrew them.
I feel that.
Yeah, I feel that. So that's why I'm, like, also, but I'm not, like,
We're both still learning so much. Whoa, what?
I don't know where this piece goes.
Which one? That's the most generic piece that goes in the sky.
Here's a guy's back with pants.
Julia literally, Mom, this is what Julia just handed to me. She goes, I don't know where this one goes. I said, that's literally the sky. You think I know?
I connected on him right here.
Yay.
How's that go?
I showed you the one piece.
Yeah.
And you were cracking, and I was cracking up.
Mom.
Yeah, because this definitely comes down. So we have to figure out.
You smell so
this.
good, Al. Thank you. You smell like Allison.
Aww.
That was cute.
Here, you use the white ones. Todd gets mad when I use the white ones because I get my makeup on it. And you're not wearing makeup, right?
She always got mad at you when you washed your face because you just pulled more.
Do this one before my oil.
Yeah. Do this one before your
This
oil.
one before my
Yeah.
oil. Even though my skin's really
Do you want my
dry.
rose water?
For what?
The rose water.
What does it do?
It's a toner.
Yeah, I do.
Here.
I do that first.
Yeah, spray the rose petal water. It's so nice. You're gonna want it on your own.
Why are you putting your... Whoa.
And just really like breathe it in, like, and just do a deep breath.
This one, she's a dirty lamb stan.
They're good quality stuff. Like, I don't think people realize how amazing, like, on your pimple spots, how amazing these products are.
Yeah.
Like, they're like genuinely like the best. They're expensive, but they're like so high quality.
Yeah. Do you have freckles?
This one's a blend. Jasmine, lavender.
Yeah, it's so good. You don't even need that much.
Oh.
It's gonna be kind of greasy. But you can use it on your arms.
Yeah. That's what I do with my extra too. It smells really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. I love it. Glasses.
I got my glass.
Hi.
How do you do it? You look up on fire. Stirring that up into the I need some help.
Yeah, what is this? This one was basil?
Basil, yeah.
Why did this one last
I
and
don't
this
know.
one?
That's parsley, yeah.
Parsley regrows by itself. Do one.
A new one. Have to put back in.
Oh.
Stir it up.
I'm trying. If I was a plant, I would totally sleep in these beds. Yeah. Mom, do you get weeds that come through?
Yeah, okay, ready to go. I get to the bottom a little bit. So Dad goes out and buys the peanuts, try to keep the squirrels away from the birds, and then now they ended up in our bird. You find here?
Mom's like a monkey
Fly.
koala. Ah, it's a fly?
It's like a flying flower.
Oh. A flying flower is totally different than a fly. So it's just banana water?
And coffee, yeah. So just go close to the root.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Mom has been brewing this up for
Yeah, that's good.
weeks.
Oh, it smells really great. It smells so horrible. What are you gonna use this throughout the season, Mom?
Like once a week, I was told.
Where'd you get this container?
It was an old guy, Pat said about it.
Oh,
Here, put some right over here, this full flower here.
which one?
Right in front of you.
Sorry, flower.
Over there. Over here.
Did you just touch your face?
No, with my hand. I'm a nurse. I know where I need to touch my face and where I don't. Yeah, the idea is just to. Oh.
Hey.
No, I don't want to. Come on, inside. Inside.
Bolted to the counter.
Yeah, an extra. Good to have. Yeah. Wait, I need to move stuff.
Your tomatoes growing, Queen.
I don't know what. I know Max said that he thinks after tomatoes. I don't know. There though? Parsley? Yeah. Yeah. That's
This is literally so relaxing. It's
Right?
so tranquil in this backyard.
One, it doesn't count.